Hello dear students, welcome back to Computer Tutorials, Class 4, Lesson 1, a storage and memory device. Today I am here with the topic types of memory. Dear children, as I have told you earlier that we will revise the chapter in a questionnaire form just to understand the chapter well. And till now we have revised 6 questions for the previous topics. So now today we are going to start the topic types of memory. Dear children, we all know that every computer has a certain memory which determines how much data and instructions can be stored in it. The data stored in the computer could be temporary or permanent. So let's start the question based on the topic. Question number 7. How many types of memories are there in a computer? I told you 6 questions till now we have revised related to this chapter. So I am starting with the 7th question. So how many types of memories are there in a computer? Answer is the memory of computers are of 2 types. Internal memory, which is also called primary memory or main memory. And the second one is external memory, which is also known as secondary memory. Now question number 8. Name the 2 types of internal memory. Answer. The 2 types of internal memory are RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. Children, memory are of 2 types. One is internal memory and the other one is external memory, and the internal memory is again divided into 2 parts, that is RAM and ROM. So, now what is the difference between RAM and ROM? RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is internal storage in PC, whereas ROM is external storage device in PC. RAM erases the data once the PC is switched off. And ROM, all the data will be stored in PC safely. Now RAM stores information temporarily, whereas ROM stores information permanently. RAM requires flow of electricity to retain data. On the other hand, ROM does not require flow of electricity to retain data. RAM is used for both reading and writing, to read and write, and ROM is used only for reading. Dear children, hope you all have understood the chapter well till now. In the next session, we will start from the next question, that is question number 10, and we will study about external memory then. Read the chapter again, stay fit and stay healthy. Thank you.